What type of injuries do we represent here at the law offices of Brian Timothy Meyers? We represent people who have been injured as a result of medical negligence, healthcare providers who have deviated from the standard of care and caused injury or death to you or your loved ones. We represent people who have been injured by defective products, people who have been injured in the workplace, people who have been in motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, and car accidents. People who have been hit by drunk drivers. And we also represent the spouses and children and loved ones of people who have suffered death wrongfully at the hands of another.